By now you've learned about Veo's evolution, prompt types, and tailoring prompts for style. It's time for hands-on practice. In this lesson, you'll write, test, and refine your very first prompt in Google Veo. Step 1. Choose your project. Pick a simple scenario to practice. Some ideas: a 5-second product highlight, a 7-second social media teaser, a short intro for an educational clip. For this exercise, let's create a 5-second product highlight. Step 2. Draft a simple prompt. Start with a basic instruction. Create a 5-second clip showing the product rotating on a neutral background with a fade in. Hit enter in Veo and observe the result. Take note: is the timing correct? Did it include the fade in? Is the product centered and clear? Step 3. Refine with details. Based on what you see, add specifics. For example, make the product rotate slowly for 5 seconds against a white background. Apply a gentle fade in of 1 second and add soft ambient music at 20% volume. Rerun the prompt and compare. How does the rotation speed feel? Is the fade smooth? Does the music distract or enhance? Step 4. Iterate with simple tweaks. Finally, apply quick fixes using simple prompts. Examples: increase rotation speed by 10%, lower music volume to 10%, extend fade-in to 2 seconds. These rapid adjustments keep you nimble without rewriting the full prompt. Step 5. Reflect and save. Once you're happy, save your prompt text in Veo's prompt library. Write a short note about what this prompt does and when to use it. Reflection questions: what worked well with your detailed prompt? Which simple tweaks were most useful? How could you adapt this prompt for a different style or length? Great job! You've just crafted, refined, and optimized your first Veo prompt.